Hello everyone. Today, let's have a look at client collaboration in Celoxis. So what can clients do? They can get a bird's eye view from their dashboard. Clients have their own dashboards. They can also view the project Gantt chart, comment on tasks, create issues, change requests and raise tickets, upload and share files, also engage in online discussions. Best of all of this is free. Now log in as a client. This is a client dashboard. Like other dashboards, this too is fully customizable. Client dashboards are secure. It will only show data that you want the client to see. Let's have a look at some of the widgets. At the top, we have some feel-good metrics. Next, we can see a list of currently active projects. Here is a list of pending issues. Down here is a list of the active change requests. And here is a list of tasks that are assigned to the client. Let's click on a task. Now this task panel is similar to what we saw earlier. It shows the task attributes and then its history. Clients can also add comments and upload files right from here. They can also view the project data. Let's click on a project. Let's have a look at the Gantt chart of the project. This is a read-only view. You can customize this view for the client. For example, you can add task filters to restrict the tasks that are shown here. You can also add columns to the grid. Clients can also view the files for a project right from here. They can also add a change request, issue, participate or start any discussions and upload files right from this screen. So this was all about client collaboration. Thank you.